Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell beside it to get a personalized notification when I upload a new video. Alright, in this video we want to talk about things you can consider before starting a business. If you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, or you're even unemployed, you can even you're working and you want a side hustle, you need to watch this video before opening that business. Alright, the number one thing you need to consider before starting that business is your environment. What do people really need? What do people find difficult to get easily? You need to identify that need and then make a resolve within your heart to solve that need or to solve that problem. That's the number one thing.